The user guide presents various ways of accessing the required information. With visual search, press on one of the thumbnails at the bottom of the screen. Press on one of the bullets in the enlarged view. With research by indicator, a patchwork of indicators is displayed. The indicators are organized by color. Press on the required indicator, and the corresponding content will be displayed. With research by system, the list of audio and telematic systems is displayed. Press on the relevant section, and the list of subjects will be displayed. With research by contents, the list of sections is displayed. Press on the relevant section, and the list of subjects will be displayed. If the subject includes several pages, drag horizontally.